Take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an operational breakdown. Why did YouTube replace human managers with a mind-reading algorithm? How does YouTube secretly predict when a creator is about to quit? Is YouTube's automated copyright machine unfairly flagging creators? What happens when YouTube lets creators secretly control your comments? Can the algorithm survive Gen Z's war against notifications? Part 4. Customer Relationships. YouTube coordinates a highly automated, algorithmic customer relationship model that operates at a massive scale. By relying on system personalization, automated content policy filters, and self-guided analytical studios rather than an army of human account managers, the platform keeps support overhead remarkably low while providing tailored experiences to billions of individuals. 28. 8 cases related to customer relationships. Case A. Algorithmic personalized recommendation feeds, the primary vehicle for customer relationship management, a dynamic home feed that functions as an automated, individual curator tailored to a user's history. Case B. Automated Creator Studio dashboards, a comprehensive, self-service tracking interface giving independent creators instant access to performance analytics, subscriber retention metrics, and data insights without needing human handlers. Case C. Automated Content ID infringement engines, systemic automated notification portals that alert creators to copyright disputes or validation claims immediately upon video asset analysis. Case D. Self-service community interaction spaces, productizing relationship management by building native comment layouts, community voting boards, and channel membership tiers directly into video player spaces. Case E. Dedicated partner management tracks for elite talent, a high-touch relationship model deploying specialized human managers to support top-tier channels with content strategy workshops and early feature access. Case F. AI-powered troubleshooting help hubs, fully integrated, interactive support structures utilizing conversational AI models to diagnose connection lag, account recoveries, and monetization settings. Case G. Enterprise Brand Safety Control Centers, providing corporate advertisers with high-touch, fine-grained control panels to establish precise content thresholds and tracking guidelines for ad placements. Case H. Behavioral push notification engine arrays, utilizing real-time notification alerts, system pings, and email updates carefully timed to align with an individual viewer's historical phone unlock patterns. 29. For open-ended questions. How can YouTube balance automated community comment filtration models to protect brand safety without triggering creator concerns over unnecessary censorship or algorithm bias? What product mechanisms should engineering teams deploy to help long-form creators reduce creative burnout while maintaining consistent engagement metrics within an algorithm that rewards daily video drops? How can platform operations manage advertiser relationships when automated brand safety tools trigger false positive monetization flags on premium, high-production news broadcasts? In what ways can YouTube build a lasting relationship with Gen Z and Gen Alpha viewer demographics who increasingly resist structured notifications and standard search organization designs? 30. For explanations. The recommendation feed is the system's account manager. Traditional media entities use human programming directors or relationship executives to manage customer loyalty. YouTube automates this entire role through its recommendation array. By continuously tracking viewer watch metrics, satisfaction surveys, and scroll actions, the algorithm naturally deepens user affinity, maximizing session duration and ad exposure without human intervention. The automation of intellectual property dispute management, content ID scaling, legal and copyright relationships across billions of uploaded video hours requires automated infrastructure. The Content ID backend operates as an automated mediator. It scans new uploads against a vast digital reference warehouse, automatically matching violations and instantly presenting corporate owners with options to block, track, or monetize the disputed file. This removes manual legal hurdles completely. The Creator Platform Symbiosis Framework. YouTube manages its creator relationship structure by treating talent as distributed business partners. By tying platform profit directly to creator income via a transparent, automated 55% revenue split framework, the platform avoids upfront talent acquisition expenses. This design naturally aligns creator motivation with platform retention goals. Three-way brand safety architecture. In an ad-supported user model, the relationship is an intricate three-way balance. The platform must maintain a smooth, engaging loop for consumers, provide monetizable rewards for creators, and guarantee corporate advertisers clean, contextually appropriate environments. If any side feels underserved, the entire economic network encounters churn risks, making automated brand safety rules essential. 31. For implementation plans. Plan 1. AI-powered conversational appeal framework. Launch a natural language chat interface within Creator Studio, allowing channels to quickly appeal automated policy decisions, receiving precise timestamp reasons within minutes. Plan 2. Creator Wellbeing Analytics Suite integration. Deploy predictive tracking modules inside creator dashboards to alert teams when their filming schedules match historical burnout patterns, suggesting optimal resting buffers. Plan 3. Fine-grained comment sentiment moderation filters. Provide creators with advanced, custom sliders to adjust comment section toxicity thresholds, letting them auto-hide disruptive remarks based on context rather than plain keyword blacklists. Plan 4. Automated brand safety placement adjusters. Build a real-time risk simulation sandbox inside corporate ad suites, letting marketing directors visualize exactly how custom placement filters will alter target audience reach numbers before launch. 32. For implementation processes. Process 1. Automated Content ID claim and appeal resolution sequence. New video asset undergoes background fingerprint scanning matches upon upload, then system triggers automated copyright claim notification flag to creator account, then Creator submits an official dispute through the automated Studio dashboard portal, then route claim back to copyright owner's dashboard window for automated 30-day review, then Process 2, Recommendation Feed Preference Recalibration Cycle. User clicks Not Interested or clears specific items from their watch logs, then isolate the target taste cluster categories linked to the rejected titles, then dampen match priority scores across those specific genre clusters instantly, then reindex home dashboard layout to present alternative experimental topics, then Process 3, High Priority Creator Technical Support Escalation Workflow. High-volume partner channel files an urgent ticket via integrated studio links, then parse channel tier metrics and account history data through automated routers, then escalate complex monetization issues directly to a dedicated regional human agent, then log resolution data into a core engineering database to update predictive models, then Process 4, Automated Billing Grace Period and Premium Subscription Recovery Track. Monthly subscription fee collection attempt encounters a declined card error, then trigger automated account grace status and lock premium backgrounds temporarily, then deploy an inline layout banner requesting card updates upon user application launch, then execute 3 automated transaction retries over 14 days before closing accounts, then 33. For actionable recommendations. Gamify Creator Studio milestones. Incorporate elegant automated celebratory visual rewards and resource rewards directly inside dashboard layouts when channels cross subscriber benchmarks, driving platform affinity. Establish collaborative viewer-creator spaces. Build advanced interactive widgets, such as live chat Q&As or custom user poll attachments, directly into video frames to deepen audience attachment to individual channel ecosystems. Provide transparent policy violation blueprints. Avoid ambiguous automated communication loops. When a video asset is restricted, give creators visual, clear context showing the exact phrase or frame that triggered the system rule. Deploy ad-tier customization choices. Give everyday non-paying consumers occasional input to pick their preferred commercial theme format before entering long videos, transforming ad consumption from an interruption into an option. 34. 4 to-do items. Audit the response accuracy curves of automated translation scripts inside regional help center directories to remove language translation errors. Review turnaround timeframes across automated monetization dispute queues to identify software processing delays. Conduct usability tests across updated enterprise advertiser dashboards to make sure brand safety filters are clear and easy to navigate. Evaluate retention metrics for channels that recently graduated from automated help pipelines into human partner management tracks. 35. 4 practical techniques. Real-time sentiment analysis mapping, processing streaming comment logs through neural network text models to track audience sentiment trends during live events. Predictive creator churn modeling, using machine learning to spot drop-offs in upload frequencies or login habits that frequently point to creator burnout or channel abandonment risks. Granular safety filter adjustments, building back-end code infrastructure that lets external stakeholders fine-tune data matching rules across individual product classifications without restarting apps. Automated support routing triggers, parsing incoming help tickets using keyword scanners to instantly route critical billing issues away from general feedback queues and into priority resolution channels. 36. 4 practical steps. Step 1. Gather anonymized user data from creator cohorts whose view counts dropped by more than 30% after an algorithm update. Step 2. Generate an automated instructional guide inside their Creator Studio app showing exactly what topics are currently trending in their lookalike niche. Step 3. Deliver specialized in-app strategy suggestions tailored directly to their historical audience retention profiles. Step 4. Track subsequent upload actions and overall performance recoveries over the following 21 days to measure the strategy's effectiveness. If this deep dive helped you understand the invisible systems running your favorite platform, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an algorithmic breakdown. Don't forget to click the links in the description below right now to download your free study materials and handouts, get instant access to the free advanced chapter online tutorials, and share this video with friends who might need it. The information presented in this channel is compiled with the assistance of AI, public sources, and independent analysis. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy, information may contain omissions, inaccuracies, or interpretations. Content is provided solely for educational, case study, commentary, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or professional advice.